What's the meaning of awful? Awful. Awful.
Awful. Awful. Awful is an adjective that describes something or someone as extremely unpleasant, terrible, or dreadful. It can also mean inspiring fear or awe. When we use this word, we are usually expressing a negative emotion or feeling towards the object or situation being described. For example, an awful smell might make us nauseous, an awful movie might be boring or overly violent, and an awful experience might be traumatizing or painful. Overall, something that is awful is generally considered to be very bad or unacceptable.